Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super silly and easy. It's gonna be the bully from Baldi. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be a really weird looking character, as you know. So to begin, we can just draw his eyes first. So I'm just gonna draw one dot here and then come across and draw another dot pretty far away. Okay, and then from here we can draw in his eyebrow, so right above. Just gonna draw two little curves. And then for his nose, this is where it gets weird. So start on this side, just kind of come down, and then one big bracket. And then we're gonna come on this side and start a little bit lower. We're gonna draw another bracket. And then we're just gonna connect these two. Okay, so that's his nose, and let's finish off the face. So the face here, we're gonna come down, all the way down. And then on this side, we'll draw a little bracket right over his little eyebrow here. And then we're gonna slant out. And then we're gonna come back in to his nose. So now let's finish up the top here. As I know it's a lot of weird looking shapes. So we're just gonna come up. And then we're gonna curve it down and until we meet up to this line again. All right, and then for his little hairline right here, so in the middle here, we can draw one curve. And then we're gonna curve this one and just kind of go out. And then for this one, we'll curve it up and then it's gonna go out. Okay, and then from here, let's finish off this face. So we're gonna curve this, and on this side, we're gonna come down. So from here, we just kind of close it off with a nice curve. So because this is gonna be one big curve for his body. Okay, and then once we have that, we're just gonna draw in two lines for his mouth. So I think that's definitely the hardest part because the rest is just like a stick figure. So we're gonna draw the body right now. So we're gonna curve this down. So it's just gonna be one big egg shape. Alright, and then for his arms, it's gonna be super easy. It's just gonna be, I'm gonna draw two lines like this, close it off, and then his arm's gonna go up, and then I'm just gonna close it off and draw a big circle in there for his hand. Okay, and then another one here. So you can have him, do other poses if you like, since it's just basic like stick figures. Okay, close it off and then another circle for his hand. Alright, and then for his leg, I'm just gonna give it a slight bend here. So come down, close it off, and have it bend in slightly. Close it off and then another ball. And on this side, it's gonna be almost the same then. Close it off. And then another ball. And that is it for this bully drawing from Baldi. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.